my name is Suzy. So I'm from Yasur View Lodge, Bangalore. So I'm teaching you how to make a lapla. My name is Janet, and I'm from Yasur View Lodge. And now we start to make a lap. So before, our ancestors, when they want to make a lap, they don't use knife to take out the skin of the lap banana, but they just use their teeth.
You love your knife?
Yes.
Yes. And even since your little children all children have knife?
Yes. Yeah.
From when? What age?
6 years up. When the children are growing up, we have to give them a knife or using knife to train up the hands to know how to work. Jesus loves me, this I know, for the Bible tells me so. Little ones to him belong, they are weak but he is strong. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. The Bible tells me so.
Oh, crazy.
Jesus loved the little children, all the children of the world. Red and yellow, black and white, all the faces inside. Jesus loved the little children of the world. Yasur Volcano, me, ya Tanna, Sarapita, Sarapsa, Sarapsa, Yasur Volcano, me pa. Me agregar yo.
Look, this one we had juice and this will have milk in it. Wet bandana's root to tie the lap.
Yes.
Who taught you to do this? Your mother?
Yes. My mother told me.
And this to warm, soften?
Yes.
Clean the ash.
Yes.
The volcano off the island cabbage. Otherwise, it's gritty.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, they're fighting now.
Chicka, 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 chicka. Aw.
Ella cuando se caga se llama.
So it's finished?
Yes.
Tanna. Sorry. So pass the parcel, isn't it? Unwrapping. That looks like something different.
Wow. We made that.
Yeah, you made that.
Nearly.
Oh, I see. That's how you get the leaves on it. Because we had it with leaves on it, but
Yeah.
I thought they'd wrap each one individually. But no. It worked.
Thank you
It's
for
good.
making love.
Yeah.
Our pleasure.
Yes.
It's a sharp knife. It's a very sharp knife.
Mind your fingers. Christine's not expert.
Oh, look at that.
Ah, worked. Well done. Huh?
I'll make a wish.